Just so you guys know, during this video, my bird will scream the entire time. But I think you can still hear the audio, so thanks for tuning in. So sometimes we make mistakes because we just don't pay attention to something simple. This print was going very well. This is the under part of the chest for the Mark 42 armor, Iron Man armor. And I noticed well ahead of time while I was printing that this piece right here was getting very close to the edge of what my printer could do, which is 0x 0. That's as far over as it can go. So I checked the G-code, and indeed, I made a mistake. This area is actually -2 millimeters on the X on my machine. So it was going to bump into the X end stop, try to still go over 2 millimeters, and then continue the print. So this is my fault. This is not the machine's fault at all. There's no reason for it to have failed. The only reason it did that is because I adjusted the model a little bit to that side instead of center and arranging. So be very careful when you're lining up your prints. I was only looking at the raft when I was doing this, and I wanted the raft to be a little bit further from that edge. So there's some other things I could have done. I could have rotated it a little bit more. I could have done something. But basically, this is a very large piece, and make sure that's inside the box no matter what you do. Make sure the entire thing's inside the box. So I'll just do the same process I did in one of the last videos for this piece. I'll put a link in the that corner right there for you to click on and see how to recover from a failed print. Thanks. Bye.